Hi everyone, today we are going to have our first look at the Oppo A94 5G. In this video we're going to look first at the content of the box and then look at the SIM tray, have a tour of the phone, and then some photo samples at the end. So let's get started by actually opening this box and seeing what else we get. Ejection tool, some paperwork, and a soft case. Always good to see free cases being included. And then this phone actually comes with a 30-watt Oppo VOOC fast charger. Quite big and chunky, but should top up the battery in a reasonably fast time. And of course this comes with USB-A to USB-C cable. And it seems that they also have included some earphones with a 3.5mm jack. So it seems that this phone actually has kept the 3.5mm jack. Not surprising given that it's targeted to the mid-range. Now let's have a tour of the phone itself. So first impression of this device is the color is very beautiful and it's very light and slim. I believe it's 170 something grams and less than 8mm thick. So this is a really good impression. Above here you just have a mic. And this has AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint reader. So you can see brightness is pretty decent. I think it's just adequate for daylight use. So I have sunlight coming through the window here and you can see the screen quite clearly. Of course this is running on Color OS. Let's have a look at the information here. This comes with 8GB of RAM and it says plus 3GB. So you see it has this technology where it can lend some extra memory from the storage to help with RAM and running apps. It comes with 128GB and 8 Dimensity 800U. Out of the box, when you pull down, you actually get a search engine, but you can configure it to pull down the notification bar, which I think is a more useful feature. Let's have a quick look at the camera UI as well. You can do digital zoom up to 5 times. You have an ultra wide angle. You have night mode. And let's see what is the video camera. I believe it can do 4K actually. Video resolution. Yeah, you can do 4K. I believe 30 frames per second. Next, let's have some photo samples.